Hello YouTube! Welcome to another episode of my workshop series. In this series I show you maintenance and customization tricks for a Swiss Army knife. In the video today I show you how you can combine a fire striker made from an old file with a 91mm Victorinox knife to a fire striker Swiss Army knife. Stay tuned.
This one is probably too big. This one is too small. And I think something like this is probably perfect.
Second step is to remove the handle from the file you selected. Glue the steel and let it cool down slowly. After, the steel should be soft again.
Wenn du wissen willst, wie man die Griffschale wegnimmt, ohne sie zu verletzen, dann schaust du Felix sein Video an.
If you don't know how to change or how to remove the handle from the Swiss Army knife, please check this video. Now take a 5mm drill and drill the rivet head holes all the way through. After, take a 3mm drill and make a hole where the small rivet head is. Now you have perfect stencil for the shape of the fire steel and for the positions of the holes. Next step is to draw in the shape and the position of the holes on the file. For a better visibility of the mark, Lucas overgrind the surface a little bit. The next step is to drill the holes. Don't drill all the way through. Only drill that deep that the rivet heads disappeared into the holes. Next step is to cut out the shape with the angle grind on the cutting disc and the fine work we made on the bench grind. Now the shape is done. Next step is to heat up the steel again and cool down quick in water, and then the steel will be hard again. At least we hope so. Yes!
Yes. Very good.
Woo! Before we glue the fire striker on the knife body, I make sure that the surface is clean. So, yeah. Now the glue is dried out, at least we hope so. Jar cloth is done, and now we are ready.
Nice.
Now we are ready to start the fire. For that you need our Swiss Army knife fire striker, a bit charcoal and a flintstone and a little bit dry grass. So my friends, the fire is burning, and we hope you liked our little Swiss Army knife fire striker project. If you want to learn other tricks with the Swiss Army knife, please check my playlist. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next Friday. Ciao!
Ciao! So geil.